You just walked into the kitchen, stood there like an idiot for 5 minutes, and completely forgot what you came for. Congratulations! The universe isn't sending you a signal to reset. That's just the 3-pound supercomputer in your skull starting to shrivel up like a dusty raisin under your bed. People love to say getting old means getting forgetful. Bullshit. Forgetfulness, or dementia, isn't an inevitable side effect of living a long time. In reality, it's a massive system-wide bankruptcy of your central factory. Fiber optic cables are snapped, the janitors are on strike, and all your data is being dragged to the trash bin with zero chance of recovery. Let's look inside. Your brain is a megacity with 86 billion citizens. We call them neurons. They don't use WhatsApp. To talk, they stand on the edge of a cliff and chuck chemical care packages at each other. Package lands successfully, and boom, you remember your high school buddy's name. The busiest district of all is the hippocampus library, where every new memory gets stamped and stored. And everything runs perfectly. Until the trash piles up.
Like any factory, doing work creates garbage. One notorious type of trash is a protein called amyloid beta. Normally, when you're in a deep sleep, the night shift cleaning crew, the glymphatic system, drives around with a power washer to blast this junk away. But no! You decided to scroll through cat videos until 2 a.m. The cleaning crew gets denied entry. The trash piles up day after day, clumping into massive, sticky plaques. The consequence? This wall of garbage literally blocks the flight path of those chemical packages. Neuron A screams, "Hey, where are the car keys?" But Neuron B hears absolutely nothing. Boom, you're tearing the house apart looking for the keys you're literally holding in your hand. As if the outside trash wasn't enough, disaster strikes inside the cells too. To survive, your neurons have an internal railway system delivering food. The tracks are pinned down by rivets called tau proteins. For some reason, like the systemic inflammation from you shoving junk food down your throat, these rivets get rusty. They pop off, snap out of place, and tangle up into a messy knot. The transit system collapses. With no food, the neurons starve to death and officially log off the server.
When millions of cells die off, the brain factory becomes an abandoned wasteland. The hippocampus library is the first to die, which explains why you remember every detail of a movie from 1999, but forgot you left the stove on 5 minutes ago. Your skull doesn't shrink, so as the brain tissue dies, your entire brain shrivels up. The wrinkles carve into deep canyons. The empty cavities inside swell up with fluid. Your plump 3-pound brain is now a withered shell of its former self. And this shrinkage is irreversible. Once it's gone forever. Oh, and if you think you dodged the garbage plaques, hold your horses. There's another final boss called vascular dementia. Your brain demands 20% of your body's blood supply to run. Your blood vessels are the plumbing system, but you just love pumping sugar, bad fats, and cigarette smoke into your body. The pipes get clogged and crusty. With no oxygenated blood arriving, an entire neighborhood in your brain suffocates and suffers a massive blackout instantly. This is how you literally, physically strangle your own brain. Bad news, modern medicine doesn't have a Control-Z button to revive dead brain cells. Good news, you can absolutely slam the brakes and slow down this destruction before you forget your current partner's name. Here is a 4-step survival strategy to keep the city in your head from turning into a post-apocalyptic landfill. Step 1. Sleep like a log. You need 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep every single night. That is the only window management allows the garbage trucks to clear out the amyloid plaques. Pulling all-nighters is just you digging a grave for your own cells. Step 2. Stop letting your heart be lazy. Cardio, running, swimming, do whatever you want, as long as your heart pumps hard enough to blast high-pressure blood and power wash the gunk out of the pipes leading to your brain. Step 3. Put premium oil in the engine. Cut the sugar, drop the deep-fried garbage. Load up on premium motor oil from omega-3s, fatty fish, and leafy greens. The protective coating on your nerves desperately needs them to avoid short-circuiting. Step 4. Torture your brain. Do not let it sit idle. force it to learn a new language, play an instrument, or just take a different route home. Every time you learn something new, your brain builds backup railways. If one track collapses, you just take the detour. Bottom line, your brain is a luxury machine with no warranty and zero replacement parts. Use it carefully. If this video managed to light up a tiny corner of your brain, hit that like button and comment below what topic you want to see next. Do it right now, before your brain drops that idea off a cliff. Bye.